It was a very sunny day and I happened to visit this auto spa, a high-end car wash owned by a Nigerian based in the United States of A. Yeah, A as in America. An average person may wonder, why Nigeria? Why a car wash? Why not an estate? Why not a fashion company? What makes you think you can earn anything from a car wash in Nigeria? Why will I leave the car wash where I wash my car and go to this new place? But hey, remember I said I visited an auto spa, a high-end car wash, not your regular car wash. What is an auto spa? What is a high-end car wash? What is auto detailing? Why is this business in Nigeria? Why should I go to an auto spa instead of my regular car wash? In this video, you're going to get to know the difference between a regular car wash and this car wash that I visited. We are also going to have a chat with one of the persons in charge of this automobile spa. So you know what? Sit back, relax, learn, and enjoy! Okay guys, so first of all, before I start telling you what auto detailing is, I need you to know that this business is located on the island of Lagos, somewhere called Songotedo, Hot Bread Junction. It shares the same building with Abito's supermarket or Abito's house, and as a matter of fact, the headquarters of this business is in New Jersey, United States of America. Yeah, it has been in New Jersey for years and has been rated by so many users over the past few years, and the owner decided to plant a seed in Nigeria. So yeah, let's get back to the car that is going to be washed in this video. So as you can see, this car is so dirty, like very dirty, and it is yearning for some professional touch, for some spa treatment, the way your skin yearns for a spa treatment. Yeah, so the workers are going to begin to work on the car right now. At this point, they're already getting everything ready, powering the generator and all of that. And yeah, the person working on the inside is working with a vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner and it just kind of helps him clean out all the dirt on the inside of the vehicle. Yeah, and the second person is going to be handling the outer parts of the vehicle. So first of all, he uses this water pump that has this very high force to wash the tire. Like without any soap, this water pump has already cleaned the tire 50%, and then he goes in with this chemical. This is just the first stage, like this is the beginning. Like this person pampered this tire, spent like over 30 minutes on a tire. Like the tire became brand new. I don't need to talk, I just need you to keep on watching. Yeah, so these chemicals are used. They are the appropriate chemicals that are supposed to be used for the part of the car that they are being used for, and that is the difference between an auto detailing company and a car wash. Yeah, the auto detailing company uses chemicals that do not harm any part of your car, and they pay attention to details, especially Maro's auto detailing. Yeah, you guys are going to see this car at the end of the day. It's going to be like a brand new car, like a brand new car just brought out from the manufacturer's company. Yeah, so the person in charge of the tire continues with the washing. He goes in with another type of brush, and at this stage he begins to rinse the tire. You can see how sparkling, how, oh my god, I feel like I'm the one that's being given this spa treatment. Yeah, so he washes the tire thoroughly, and he moves on to the next tire. So he basically repeats the same process on the next tire. He does it for the second one, the third one, the fourth one. After he's done with the tires, then he moves on to another level. So yeah, auto detailing takes a lot of time, and while the car is being washed, the owner of the car can decide to just go into the office. Yeah, the office, Maro's Auto Spa office. He can decide to go into the office and just chill, watch TV, you understand? Yeah, so let's go to the office and see how the office looks. So yay, this is how the office looks, and you can see the owner and his brother chilling and looking at the TV. And here is the twist, here is the cake, the icing on the cake. So while watching TV, there's a CCTV footage of what is going on outside, so the owner can be monitoring his car from different angles, knowing what is going on, the stage they have gotten to, if his car is still intact. Yeah, so I want to show you guys some of the things used to clean the cars. So on this side are towels used to clean the cars, and on the other side of the office you can see some chemicals used to clean the cars. Every part of the car has a specific thing used to clean it. There are some things that should not be used on some parts of the car, and there are some things that should be used, and Maro's Auto Spa gets it right. Yeah, so let's get back to the washing of the car. At this point you can see that the person handling the car has moved to other parts of the car. This is towards the boot. He's cleaning every nook and cranny, like no parts has to be left untouched, no parts can be ignored. He uses both the water pump, brushes, different chemicals and what have you to make sure the car is sparkling clean. So at this point, the general body of the car is being washed. Like, this one is deeper than deep cleaning, and I think it should be ASMR for people who love to watch cleaning videos. Yeah, you can see how like it's relieving. It's actually relieving. If you love ASMR videos, this should be an ASMR. So the green sponge or the green glove you see them using to wash the car is actually called a microfiber wash mitt. Yeah, and it is the appropriate glove or appropriate, I don't know if it's okay to call it a glove, but it's the appropriate thing that is supposed to be used for auto detailing. And you can see that they are still using the brush to get some tiny corners and to make sure the formatic of the bends is sparkling clean. Like, what is a formatic bends if the formatic is not sparkling clean? Yeah, so at this point they go on to rinse the whole body of the car with the pump, and yeah, you can see this tire sparkling clean like it just came out of the factory. And they go on to clean the body of the car with, I don't know if I should call this a towel, I don't know the technical name, and then they dry it. As they dry, they clean. Like, this is professional, like details. That is why it's called auto detailing. This one will be moi, this one will be akara, this one will be beans, you understand? Yeah, and this is the tire being dried. Yeah, and after everything, the tire, there's something that is being rubbed on the body of the tire, and then these towels are used to clean the door of the car. Yeah, there are different towels for different parts of the car. So you guys, like, just tell me that you're going to be visiting Maro's Automobile Spa. If you're in Lagos, you should visit this spa to give your car the pampering that it deserves. Don't be stingy, don't be selfish, you understand? Give your car the pampering it deserves. And even if you're not in Lagos, whenever you happen to come to Lagos, you should visit. If you have anyone in Lagos who loves their car, they should visit Maro's Automobile Spa. car, you guys, you're not going to regret it. Just visit there and thank me later. You can even see like even the AC, like even the air vents are being cleaned, and you can see the professional cleaning that is being given to the leather seats so it doesn't wear out or tear or have any issues or the other. And you can see the different protocols, the different chemicals being used on different parts of the car. And ta-da, here is our car. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So guys, we're going to be going over to the live chat with one of the persons in charge of the auto spa. He's going to be giving us some more information about this auto spa. He's going to be telling us how much it takes to get a spa treatment for your car, everything that Marose is all about, the duration for auto detailing and all that. So guys, let's dive right into the chat.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shara, Ogini Name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. Yeah, and I am in a place called Songotedo, Lagos, Nigeria, and I am in an automobile detailing company, like an auto spa. You know, there's a difference between when you bath and when you go to the spa, you get. So I'm in an automobile spa, not a car wash. And here with me is one of the persons in charge of this automobile detailing company. So good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Dara.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Njoku Chimobi.
Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Njoku Chimobi. So you're one of the people in charge of Marose Auto Spa, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when did you start working here?
I started about 2 months ago.
Wow, 2 months ago. Okay, so how has working here been? Like, what has the experience been like?
It has been one of the best experiences of my life.
Wow.
I get to learn a whole lot. I've gotten to learn a whole lot of things about detailing a car.
Okay, so yes. I have a question actually. So you saw me making mouth now. I said there's a difference between bathing and going to spa. So now when it comes to car, what's the difference between this company and a random car wash?
Okay, there's a whole lot of difference. The difference is clear. At Marose Mobile Auto Spa, the beauty is in the details. Just like you can see how many minutes that guy is spending on the tires.
Yes,
and you filmed him.
Yes.
So we actually use top quality chemicals imported all the way from US.
Wow.
That's where our headquarters is. Marose Detailing.
Yes. So the headquarters is in New Jersey.
Yes.
Yeah. So you guys can check for Marose Car Detailing Company in New Jersey, and it belongs to a Nigerian. Yeah, I forgot to mention the owner of this wonderful place is a Nigerian. He sets this business up like this is a branch in Nigeria, and the headquarters is in New Jersey, United States of America. And Akukwa Kaneba, like they're not clapping where you are. So how long does auto detailing take? Like how long? You know, people can go to the car wash 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they don't come out, they don't carry their car come out. So how long does auto detailing take?
It depends on the services you subscribe for. Like we have the express services and we have the premier services. So those express services last for like an hour to 2 hours.
Yeah. Just to wash car, can you hear? It's just like bathing. When you enter inside bathroom, you can bath 2 minutes, 5 minutes and jump out. But when you go to the spa, you spend hours. They exfoliate, they remove every dirt, like down to everywhere on your skin. So the same way you go to do that for your skin, you should do that for your car. Yeah, auto detail your car today. How much does it cost to auto detail a car? Like, what's the price difference between auto detailing and normal car wash?
The price is favorable for everyone, especially when you come to our station, our bay. it's something you can afford. Every Nigerian can afford. But when we come to you, it's for a different price because we go with all our equipment.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so I don't need to break a bank, I don't need to rob a bank to come. But wait, is it only exotic cars that you people wash here, or you wash even gura? If Danfo should come here now and say, I want to auto detail my Danfo, or I want to auto detail my Molue, will you auto detail it?
Of course, there was a Danfo that came here.
Wow.
One time. Actually, he was having odor in his car, and we have the odor removal machine. So we did that for him, and he was so happy.
Yeah, I even saw the vacuum cleaning. Like, guys, they are washing the life, the destiny, the soul, and the mind of this car. So, Mr. Chimobi, thank you so much for this interview. Thank you so much, guys. And we're going to be going over to the clients who came to auto detail his car in this premises, and you're going to find out whether he's satisfied with their services or not. So until then, see you guys. Okay guys, so this is the owner of the car that just got babied, that just got pampered. Good evening, sir. Are you satisfied with the services of Maru's Automobile Spa?
Absolutely, 100% satisfied.
Wow.
The reason is because they paid attention to details, and that was what got my attention too, personally. And the car is sparkling clean, way beyond other places I go to wash my car. This is quite more different and very satisfying, 100%.
Wow. So our customer is 100% satisfied. Thank you so much, sir, for patronizing Maru's Automobile Spa.
Please come and patronize them. I'm just advising.
All right.
I'm
bye-bye,
so much
sir.
impressed. And then one thing very important, I just noticed that their standard is US standard, and that's just the best for me.
Wow.
Everything is just awesome. It's US standard, so you get the very best anytime you come here.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Bye, sir. Safe trip.
God bless you.
Bye.
All right.
So guys, you have heard from the client himself. Anyways, I had a great time at Maro's Auto Detailing Company, and this will bring us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, make sure you visit Maro's Auto Detailing Company, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, love you.